Hey everybody, I'm Alex Anderson and I am super excited to debut our 28 millimeter rotary cutter. It is just perfect for small projects, for tight curves, single layer, double layers. So we have all three sizes now, 60, 45, 28. If you have our cutters, you know how lovely they are. They're weighted. You don't have to crank your hand weird. It just does its thing for you. And once you've used it, it's tough to go back. But like the 45 and the 60, the 28 opens a little bit differently. Let's talk about opening the 45. You simply press in this button right here. And while it's in, you go like that. You can let go of the button and you're good to cut. To close it, you just go like that. Simple as pie. Now, what's interesting is this cutter, the 28, has to be opened a little bit at an angle. And I think it has to do with I'm not an engineer, but with the size of the blade. So how you open it is like this. Rather than going straight down, pressing the button straight down. No, don't do that. Press in the button and kind of come at an angle. And that will open the blade just a little bit more and secure the blade so it doesn't shut on you automatically. So again, let me repeat it. You just press in the button, come in at an angle, and then you're good to go. All right. And also, of course, we have the blades that go with it too. Now, all our rotary cutters will take standard blades, but I will tell you, go with ours. They're excellent blades and they're a little bit less expensive, trying to save you money where we can. So enjoy. I'm super excited. Yay. Welcome to the family, a new baby.